Techniques used in forensic accounting. Forensic accounting is a specialized field that combines accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to examine financial records and transactions for legal purposes. The techniques used in forensic accounting are designed to detect, investigate, and prevent fraud and financial misconduct. Here are some key techniques used in forensic accounting. 1. Data mining and analysis. Data mining involves analyzing large sets of financial data to identify patterns, anomalies, and trends that may indicate fraudulent activity. Pattern recognition, identifying unusual patterns or deviations from typical financial behavior. Anomaly detection, spotting transactions that fall outside the norm, such as sudden spikes in expenses or revenues. Statistical analysis, using statistical tools to analyze financial data and identify irregularities. 2. Benford's law. Benford's law states that in naturally occurring datasets, the first digit of each number is more likely to be small, example 1, 2, than large, example 8, 9. Deviations from this distribution may indicate manipulation. Forensic accountants apply Benford's law to financial data to detect anomalies that suggest fraud. 3. Ratio analysis. Ratio analysis involves calculating and comparing financial ratios to assess the financial health of an organization and identify discrepancies. Techniques. Liquidity ratios, analyzing a company's ability to meet short-term obligations. Profitability ratios, assessing how effectively a company generates profit relative to sales, assets, or equity. Efficiency ratios, measuring how well a company utilizes its assets and manages its liabilities. 4. Trend analysis. Trend analysis examines financial data over time to identify consistent patterns or significant changes. Forensic accountants use trend analysis to detect unusual fluctuations in financial metrics, such as revenue, expenses, or profit margins, which may indicate fraudulent activity. 5. Digital forensics. Digital forensics involves the recovery and investigation of material found in digital devices, often used to uncover evidence of financial fraud. Techniques. Email analysis, examining email communications for evidence of fraud or collusion. File recovery, retrieving deleted or hidden files that may contain incriminating evidence. Metadata analysis, analyzing metadata from electronic documents to uncover details about document creation, modification, and access. 6. Forensic auditing. Forensic auditing is a detailed examination of financial records and transactions to identify discrepancies, fraud, or financial misrepresentation. Techniques. Vouching and tracing, cross-referencing documents to verify the authenticity of transactions. Substantive testing, performing detailed tests on financial transactions to ensure accuracy and completeness. Internal controls review, assessing the effectiveness of an organization's internal controls to prevent and detect fraud. 7. Interviewing and interrogation. Conducting interviews and interrogations with employees, management, and other stakeholders to gather information and evidence. Techniques. Behavioral analysis, observing behavioral cues and inconsistencies in responses. Structured interviews, using a systematic approach to question individuals and gather relevant information. Deception detection, identifying signs of deceit or dishonesty during interviews. 8. Document examination, analyzing documents for signs of tampering, forgery, or alterations. Techniques. Handwriting analysis, examining handwritten documents to verify authenticity. Ink and paper analysis, testing the ink and paper used in documents to detect forgeries. Alteration detection, identifying changes made to documents, such as erasures or additions. 9. Net worth analysis. Calculating an individual's or entity's net worth over time to identify discrepancies between reported income and actual assets. Forensic accountants use net worth analysis to detect unreported income or hidden assets that may indicate fraud. 10. Cash flow analysis. Examining cash flow statements to identify unusual cash movements that may indicate fraudulent activities. Techniques. Source and application of funds, tracing the origin and use of funds to detect discrepancies. Cash reconciliation, reconciling cash receipts and disbursements with bank statements to ensure accuracy.